Welcome. This is the second class of geometrical constructions. So in this class I will explain about how to divide a line into say n number of equal parts. So the question is, divide a line AB of length 59 millimeter into 7 equal parts. So first I will draw a line of length 59 millimeter. So this is the given line. Length of this line is 59 millimeter, and name this line. This end is capital A and this end is capital B. So this is the given line. So our aim is to divide this 59 length line into 7 equal parts. So what I do is I will draw a line from A such that, say, this inclination is you can take this inclination as say 30 degree, and the length of this line is, say, you can take this length as 70 millimeter. This length is 70 millimeter. So now you can divide this, say, name this line as AC. Name this point as C. Then you can divide this AC into 7 equal parts, because you know this length is 70 millimeter, so you can divide this into 7 equal parts, say 1 millimeter. So this distance is 1 millimeter, that means 10, and name this point as, say, 1 dash. Similarly, you can mark another point here and say this distance is again 10 millimeter, and name this point as 2 dash. Then mark another point here. This distance is 10 millimeter, and name this point as 3 dash. Similarly, mark 4 dash. So this distance is again 10 millimeter, and name this point as 4 dash. Then mark another point. So again this distance is 10 millimeter, and name this point as 5 dash. Then mark next point, and this distance is again 2 millimeter, and name this point as 6 dash. See, you can see you are dividing the line AC into 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this here I am taking this, the length of AC is 70 millimeter. So you can take this AC as, say, 140 millimeter. Then you can divide this length is 20 millimeter, 20 millimeter, 20 millimeter, etc. So the length AC, you can take any convenient length. So here I am taking this as 70 because I am dividing this line AB into 7 equal parts. So the next step is join this C with B. Join this C and B. Then next step is from point 6 dash draw a line such that the speciality of this line is parallel to BC. So this line is parallel to BC. So name this point as, say, 6. You can name this point as 6. Then again from 5 dash draw another line. Again, what is the speciality of this line? This line is parallel to BC. And name this point as, say, 5. This point as 5. Then again draw a line from 4 dash. So the speciality of this line is parallel to BC. And name this point as 4. Then from 3 dash draw another line, and this line is parallel to BC, and name this point as, say, 3. Then from 2 dash draw another line, and that line is parallel to BC, and name this point as 2. Then from 1 dash draw a line, and that line is again parallel to BC, and name this point as, say, 1. So here you can see your line. So this is your line AB is the line of length 59 millimeter. So you are dividing your 59 millimeter length line into 7 equal parts, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So in this way you can divide any length, any line into n number of equal parts. Thank you.